Welcome to UMSL Libraries Tutorials. In this video, we introduce primary and secondary sources. We cover how to identify each of these source types, why you might use them in your research, and some basic search tips for finding them. Let's begin with primary sources. These sources provide direct evidence or first-hand accounts of a topic. They offer information from the original source without changes or interpretations from others. Many types of materials can act as primary sources. For example, photographs, interviews, letters, or academic articles with original research data. Using primary sources looks different depending on your field of study. For example, in a history class, you might be researching the 19th Amendment, which guaranteed American women the right to vote. Your research could benefit from primary sources from around the time the amendment was passed, like photographs of suffragists or newspaper articles. In a literature class, researching the novel The Count of Monte Cristo by Alexandre Dumas might involve a close reading of the original or translated text, while in health, you could use an original study gathering data on the impacts of air pollution. Secondary sources analyze or discuss primary sources. They provide interpretations, summaries, or explanations based on the information found in primary materials. Secondary sources provide this information many ways. For instance, by modifying or rearranging primary content, explaining sources and providing broader context, and evaluating or offering opinions to help others understand the topic. Examples of secondary sources include books, the literature review section of journal articles, and documentaries that explain or interpret the events or information found in a primary source. For our research project on the 19th Amendment, helpful secondary sources could include a modern scholarly book or a documentary on the topic. For our research on the Count of Monte Cristo, we could read an article analyzing the original text written by a literature scholar. And for our assignment on the impact of air pollution on human health, we could include a book chapter that summarizes and explains previous research. Both the library and a general web search can help you find primary and secondary sources. Use the library main search, the catalog, or a database to search for secondary sources like books or journal articles. Our A to Z database list will also let you search the databases that offer primary source content. Use the Source Types menu to navigate the list. One popular option is News and Current Events, which shows databases with current and historical news articles. Or select the Primary Sources option for a broader list of databases and subjects. Some of these databases offer a specific source type, while others offer a variety of digitized primary sources on a major topic, like civil rights or Missouri history. In addition to helpful library resources, you can also find some primary sources available on the open web. Many libraries, art galleries, museums, and other institutions highlight digital or digitized materials on their websites. One example is the Library of Congress, which you can search by topic, collection, or source type. For more information or help with searching for primary and secondary sources, please reach out to a librarian. We are happy to help with your research.